talk about energy. Now, businesses, and restaurants in particular, use a lot of energy. So here at Mind, Body, and Spirits, we looked for two things. We looked for ways that we could reduce the amount of energy that we use, and we also looked for some different ways to find the energy that we need. So in order to reduce the energy that we use, we look for some special equipment. Now, has anybody ever heard the term Energy Star before? Maybe on commercials you might have seen it. Energy Star refers to appliances. So when you go home today, I want you to take a look at maybe your refrigerator, your washer or dryer, or your dishwasher, maybe even a TV if it's a newer model, and it might say Energy Star on there. And that simply means that those appliances use less energy. So we looked for equipment that would use less energy for us here. Now, we still need energy though, so we also looked for ways to find some new sources for that energy. Now, usually electricity and heating and cooling your building, we do these things by using what's called non-renewable resources. And that means burning oil or coal, for example. So non-renewable means that the earth cannot produce those things as fast as what we need them. So as we're burning oil and coal, our earth makes those things, but it can't make it as fast as what we need it. So they're called non-renewable because we could run out of them one day. So we have to look for some sources that are called renewable. That means either they won't run out, or the earth makes them all, it's making them as fast as what we need them, or we have them all the time. So we looked for a couple renewable resources to use here. The first one we're going to talk about is called solar. Does anybody know what the word solar means?
I know.
What does solar mean? What does solar mean?
It means getting power from sunlight.
From the sun, right? Solar means sun.
Solar panels.
And does the sun come out every single day?
No.
Well, it does. You might not see it, right? Because it might be cloudy.
Yeah.
But does the sun come out?
Yeah.
Because otherwise we'd be in just total darkness all the time. And I don't think our earth could survive without the sun, right? Even today when it's cloudy, we know the sun is there, even if we can't really see the sun. So the sun comes out every single day. So that makes it renewable because we're always going to have the sun. The day that we don't have the sun is the day I don't think our earth can survive because we need that sun. So that's why the sun, or solar, is called renewable. Okay? So I'm going to show you a quick video on how we use solar here. We have some solar panels, and they're right above us right now. As we speak, they're up there working. We've got some sun shining today. Okay? So I'm going to show you a quick video on solar, and I want you to watch in this video for the two ways that we use solar here at our restaurant. Okay?
The sun is the most powerful energy source in our solar system. The challenge is to find ways to track that energy and reuse it. And one of the ways that we can reuse it is with the 4 solar panels on our roof that work like a black shirt on a sunny day. The dark colors absorb the sun's energy in the form of heat. And then we have a special liquid behind that dark surface of that solar panel that flows into a heat exchanger in the basement. And even in the dead of winter, as long as the sun is shining, we can preheat our water using these panels that are on our roof. We have another type of solar panel that converts the sun's energy into electricity. And with all these panels, we make almost enough electricity to power all of the light bulbs in our building.
So we use solar panels here at Mind, Body, and Spirits. Can anybody remember the first way that we use solar panels here? What is the first type of solar that we use here? To heat our water. The first kind that we have is to heat our water. Now those solar panels, they have a special liquid that flows behind them. And that liquid, it will, when the sun starts shining on it, starts heating it up, that liquid starts moving. I want everybody to stand up. Oh no, you know what, don't stand up yet. Everybody have a seat. Sorry, my bad. So that liquid starts flowing, comes down into the building, and it heats up our hot water. Okay? Now what is the second kind of solar that we use here? What does that one do?
That one turns on all the lights.
Turns on our light bulbs. Now I need you to stand up. This is the kind of solar we can stand up for. Everybody stand up. Okay, I want you to start moving. In place. Stay right where you are and start moving. Keep moving. Okay, what's happening to you? Are you starting to get warm yet? A little bit? If you kept moving, would you get warmer and warmer? Yeah. And what would you eventually start producing? What would start happening to you if you kept moving? What would you produce? Sweat, right? Okay, everybody stop and have a seat.
That was fun.
Now these kind of solar panels have some particles inside of them. And they start moving around just like you were moving. But when they move around like that, they don't produce sweat, they produce electricity. So those solar panels are used to power our light bulbs that are in here. So we can use the sun's energy as electricity in here. Now I have a little model here to show you of solar. Now what do you think this lamp, I'll hold it up for you so everybody can see, okay? There's a lamp right here. What do you think this lamp is representing? What part of our solar is this lamp?
Sun.
This is like the sun, okay? So if I turn on the sun, I have this little model of a solar panel, okay, and it's hooked up to a light bulb. So let's see, what happens when I put that solar panel in? What's happening to the light bulb?
It's lighting.
It's lighting up, right? Now look, if I take it out, it stops working. Put it in, it works again. So that's just how our solar panels are working up on the roof.
Wow.
It can also be used to make this fan work.
Whoa.
See? If I take it out, the fan stops working. Put it in. Let's see, we'll get going again.
No.
Let's go. Come on, little fan. Takes a little while. Maybe the fans came out. Let's see. Gonna work again?
No.
There it goes. At the very end, I'll let all of you guys come up so you can see it a little bit closer, okay? We'll wait till we're all
try it?
okay?
Can we do it
All right. Well, I'll stand here and we can watch it together, okay? And talk about what's happening. Okay, so that's about using the sun, which is a renewable resource because we'll always have it.